Hi students, welcome to Karthik Chemistry channel. Now I am going to explain you paints. Okay, paints. So to prevent the metal from corrosion, to prevent the metal from atmospheric oxidation, we use either surface coatings or metallic coatings. Okay, surface coatings are mainly paints. Okay, so what is paint? What are the constituents of paints? What are the characteristics of good paints? Okay, so paint is a uniform dispersion of finely divided solid in a liquid called vehicle. Okay, paint is a uniform dispersion of finely divided solid in a liquid is called vehicle. So what are the characteristics of good paint? For a good paint, these are the characteristics you should remember. So it should have good chemical stability. The first point is the paint should have good chemical stability. The paint should have good surface adhesion. Okay, so what is the first point? Good chemical stability. So the paint should have the good chemical stability. Okay, it should be chemically stable. And then so it should have surface adhesion. Surface adhesion means it should stick to the material. Okay, the paint should stick to the metal surface. And then it should have good spreading power. The paint should spread on the surface of the metal. And then resistant to corrosion. So the paint should act as a resistant to corrosion. Okay, and then the paint should have attractive color. Color is the main appeal to the article or metal, that is why it should be attractive. Okay, and then glossy film. So glossy film means shiny look. Okay, so after the application of paints on the metal surface, it should be shiny look. It should give shiny look. The appearance should be good, that is why it should give glossy film. And it should not reflect it should reflect the UV light. Okay, it should not emit the light. The paint should reflect the UV light. And the paint should be non-poisonous. Okay, these are the characteristics of good paint. And what are the constituents of paints and their functions? Okay, what are the constituents? So the first constituent is pigment. Okay, the main function of the pigment is, what is pigment? Pigment means color. The main function of the pigment is to provide color. Pigment should give color, it should provide color. So, and in case of paints, the pigment should improve the strength and protects against corrosion. Okay, the pigment can also protect against from the corrosion. So the pigments used are zinc oxide. So for white, zinc oxide, white lead, titanium oxide, these are the pigments which gives white color. Okay, and for red lead. Okay, this is a printing mistake. Red lead, for getting red color, we use the pigments of red lead and ferric oxide. For getting green color, we use the pigments of chromium oxide. Okay, and for getting the blue color, we use cobalt compounds. And for getting black, carbon black. These are the pigments. And then vehicle are drying oil or binder. Okay, what is the purpose of vehicle? It is a film forming constituent of a paint. So linseed oil, soybean oil, castor oil, these are the examples for vehicle. And then thinners. Okay, so what is the purpose of thinner? Thinner is a volatile solvent. In paints, the purpose of thinner is, it is a volatile solvent which reduces the viscosity of the paint. Okay, and hence it increases the covering area. Thinner increases the covering area by reducing the viscosity. Okay, so the main thinners used are turpentine oil, spirit, benzene, kerosene, etc. And then fillers. What is the purpose of fillers? Fillers are the inert materials which improve the properties of paint and reduce the cost. Fillers, the main role of filler is it reduces the cost of the material. And then plasticizers. What is the purpose of plasticizer? So these are added, these are incorporated to the paint to provide elasticity. Plasticizers provide elasticity and to minimize cracking. So tricresyl phosphate, triphenyl phosphate, these are the examples for plasticizers. Okay, so these are, it is paint and constituents. Okay, paint is a uniform dispersion of finely divided solid in a liquid. These are the characteristics of good paint, and these are the constituents. So the first one is pigment, and then vehicle or drying oil, and then thinners, then fillers, then plasticizers. Okay, okay students, it is the paint and its constituents. Okay, thank you for watching.